Most people trying to make money online as freelancers or agency owners are just building themselves a second, highly stressful job. You spend 50% of your time pitching clients, writing custom proposals, and begging for invoices to be paid, and the other 50% actually doing the work. It is an unscalable trap. But there is a specific business architecture that bypasses all of this. It's called the Productized Service model, and it allows one person to scale an agency to $10, $20, or $30,000 a month without ever taking a client phone call. Traditional agencies do custom work for custom prices. That means every new client requires a new strategy, a new negotiation, and a new headache. A productized service does the exact opposite. You take one specific service, like short-form video editing, B2B SEO or thumbnail design, and you strip away all the custom elements. You sell it at a flat monthly subscription rate, treating your human service exactly like a software product. The client doesn't get a custom proposal. They go to your landing page, pick a pricing tier, swipe their credit card, and get a set amount of deliverables every single month. Here is why this model is taking over in 2026. You don't actually do the work because the service is standardized. The fulfillment can be completely systematized. This introduces the concept of service arbitrage. Let's say you run a productized short-form video agency. You charge a B2B client $2,000 a month for 15 videos because the deliverables are exactly the same. Every time you hire a vetted, full-time editor overseas for $1,000 a month to fulfill the work, you pocket the $1,000 margin. Your only job is managing the system, not editing the videos. You are the architect, not the bricklayer. To make this work without client meetings, your tech stack has to be flawless. First, you need a storefront, a simple card or Webflow landing page with a direct Stripe checkout link. No, contact us for a quote. Buttons, just 3 pricing tiers: basic, standard, and pro. Once they pay through Stripe, an automation immediately sends them to an onboarding form. This form asks for all their brand assets, their goals, and their raw files. Once submitted, they are automatically dropped into a shared client portal built in Notion or Trello. The client logs in, sees the status of their project, moving from to-do to editing to review, and they never have to email you for an update. Scalability only happens when you remove custom work from the equation. By productizing a service, you reclaim your time, build predictable monthly recurring revenue, and create an asset that you can actually sell one day. If you want to see exactly how to drive traffic to a business like this, using automated cold email outreach, click the video on the screen right now. I break down the exact software you need to get clients on autopilot.